Every generation asks the same questions. Why are we here? Why does the world feel broken? And where's it all going? For thousands of years. One book has been answering those questions. The Bible is not just a book, it is one story. In the beginning, God created. He spoke, and light obeyed. The universe was shaped by His word. Life filled the earth with beauty and purpose. Then God created humanity. In His own image. A world without pain, without fear. Humanity walked with God. And everything was very good. But perfection did not last forever. Love requires choice. And choice opened the door to doubt. Humanity chose independence over trust. And everything changed. Sin shattered the relationship between God and humanity. Pain entered the world. But God did not walk away. Even in brokenness, God pursued humanity. He warned and He provided a way. Life was preserved. And God made a promise. He chose a man. And from him, a people. But the people cried out. And God sent a deliverer. He led them out of bondage. He gave them His law. And again, He called them back. Then the world waited. Until God spoke again. Not through prophets, but through His Son. God entered His own story. He healed the broken. And revealed the truth. But light threatened the darkness. And the cost of love was revealed. He carried our sin. And paid the price. But death could not hold Him. Jesus was alive. And nothing would ever be the same. He gave them a mission. And the power to carry it out. church was born. Forgiveness was offered to all. Not by perfection, but by grace. And hope began to spread. But the story does not end there. God promised to make all things new. No more pain. No more death. God will dwell with his people. Justice will reign. And the story will never end. This is the story of the Bible,